Doctor, I'm, I'm 17. I have not seen my period like other students. I have pain on my waist. Is it normal? This is a very interesting question. A 17-year-old girl asking the question, why is she not seeing her period like every other student? I know it's something very pathetic, very emotionally challenging. She will see other students and she will feel as if she is not a woman. Okay, but I want to say something here. The solution to this young girl's problem should have started from the parents. Because it is the duty of the parents to be able to know certain things that their children should experience in the course of their reproductive growth. And in that particular case, it is expected that by the age 13 and the maximum of 16, that your own girl should be able to see her first menses. If she doesn't do that, it is your duty as a mother, most times not the father, because they may not share the issue with the father, but the father could ask a question with respect to that. It should be your duty as a mother to be able to find out why your daughter has not been able to see period. And based on that, you take her to the hospital for doctor to be able to evaluate her and advise you what could be done. The earlier the better. Now, she told us she must have been writing this maybe from home, all alone, not knowing who to ask. Thank God for this very program that I'm giving this very opportunity. Why I pick this very question is because it will go a long way to benefit most of us. Not just because of you on a personal ground, but also other people that are tied to you. That's why the information you get here, share it as much as you can to other people. Okay? Now, looking at her own case, there is something that could happen here that's very suspicious. Now, listen. A woman should have the vagina, and before the inner side of the vagina, when as a virgin, there should be something that cover it like a little flesh. It's called the hymen. However, God made it that even though somebody is a virgin, there should be a hole where the menses can flow out, even though the person has not had any sexual intercourse. So it is expected that even as a virgin, you should be able to be seeing your period. Because the period comes from the womb, go through the mouth of the womb called the cervix, and will come out from the vagina. And this should happen on a monthly basis. However, let me point out here, between the age of that menarche, when you see a period to 19, it could be bizarre. That is not much of a problem. But this very case, she is not seeing it at all. Which means there could be a congenital problem. Sometimes the womb, the ovary may not be there. And you need to watch out for other sexual secondary characteristics like the breast, the development of a woman body and all that, hair development, how is the hair pattern, is it looking at the hair pattern or some of the things that should be able to give, but still needing your own doctor's professional input. Now, she made mention of something that she always have pain on a monthly basis, maybe. Now, if she is having such pain, it might be on the cause of what is called cryptomenorrhea. In this particular case, she may have normal menses, but the hymen completely sealed up. There is no hole where the thing will flow out. So, in that case, she will feel as if she want to menstruate, but because of no way to come out, she will have that waist pain. After a while, the waist pain will go down. Because some people say, what happens to menses if it's not flowing out? Listen, God is a perfect and a wonderful designer. If the blood is accumulated there, is not flowing out, what is called macrophages. Macrophages will go into that place and eat up the place and clean up, the mop up everywhere. And they prepare for another cycle. And when another cycle again comes, it will still bleed, but it will not come out. After a while, the macrophages will go there, mop up everything, clean the environment again. But that very period, she will have that particular pain. That is what is called cryptomenorrhea, subject to your doctor's evaluation. So I will encourage you, my dear, talk to your parents to take you to hospital. Let the doctor be able to evaluate you, and based on your hormonal profile, the ultrasound report, the physical evaluation, they could be able to come up to a 30 cause of the problem you are passing through. And in most cases, it is something that can be corrected. So the earlier, the better for us in this very area.